Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So that's the beauty of this interface. Now, this table. Now, this table, if you look at, this is our data, right? This is how we had name, phone, email, and all, right? And if you look at what it has done, if you go to the columns and if you open it, it automatically has mapped. So this is a number, this is a date, this is a text, this is a name, this is a phone, this is an email, this is an image, this is an address. So if you see, these are all the default kind of parameters that AppSheet has. So it has almost like 40 different types of variables it can capture. So you don't need to really think too much on this, right? So it is intelligent enough to create a lot of things. And similarly, you go to the views. When you go to the views, it has default created the view, right? So this is the map view. This is the deck view or the form view or the list view, the way we are seeing it, right? So this is how it creates, right? So now you have another data also. Let's say I have one more view in that, okay, which is a similar data, but I want to create in a different view, right? So what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll create a different view here. Okay, I'll just say new view. Then it will ask me which table I have to take. I'll keep it as new view. Then I'll say I'll go with something called as let's say gallery. Okay, then it will ask me what kind of things you want to do. I'll say I'll put it at the center. Okay, or I'll actually align it to the leftmost. Something, some uh, configurations I have to do. I'm just showing up how beautiful you can change. Now I have just I save it. That's it, done. So my same Excel sheet, which is like this, instead of me capturing data in this format, I can capture data now in this format, the way you see, right? Any questions so far? So are you seeing how beautiful it is showing? It's just all the photos and all. So this is what I can. Instead of having this view, I can actually have a better view like this. Like this, there are different combinations you have to understand, and you keep changing the views, and that's it. We can do wonderful apps, right? So this is another point that I was trying to highlight about views. So these are called views. Whatever you are seeing now are called views. Whatever is your Excel sheet, whatever links to your Excel sheet is called a table. Whatever is this is nothing but a table, right? Table of data in your Excel sheet. So exactly we call the same thing in AppSheet as a table. So that's why you have RKYC as a table here, right? So this is a simple thing. This is the fundamentals of building this kind of things. Now let me try to take you to another little example, which I've done, and where I've done some kind of a little advancement. I'll just show you how it does. Now here, if you look at what all the things I'm capturing every data, right? I don't want to capture all this data. I just want to capture very limited data, right? I don't want to capture address. I don't want to capture status, date, because I know I'm doing it today, right? So I don't want to do it. For that, we can do some kind of a little kind of auto setup, which you can actually learn. We can help you. We'll teach you all that. You have to just there are certain courses you have to take, and will help you get to that. And once you learn, you can build wonderful apps for yourself. So what I'm trying to show here is I'm just trying to take you to another app which I've done just to automate this in a much better way. Okay, one second, it is loading. The internet is a bit slow. Okay, great. So we have here, so these are all the different apps that we work. So all the apps that you work are shown on your account. So many apps we work. We work for various customers. We work for various applications. So that's why it is showing up. So I'll pull up on the app which I've done, which is the smart app. Okay. Just a little automation, little configuration I've done more so that it looks the kind of wow effect when you use these apps. When you share these apps, especially you want to imagine a situation where you want to capture the KYC form from the customer. Typically, what we do, we have a huge list of things to capture. When you ask them, they don't feel it so comfortable because they don't need to give all the details, right? So that is where we can do little smart things where we can save certain data automatically. We don't need to show the data to the customer, right? But whenever the customer does the access, the way it looks and the way it captures, it's totally different, right? So let's try to experience that now. I'll share you that kind of little information now. Now this is also a map view. Okay, before that, what I'll do is I'll create another customer here. Okay, it just asks me something ID which is common. Then it asks me the photo of the customer. Okay, so let's go with this photo or some other photo. Okay, let's go with this photo. We can use this photo here, and then I'll say it as I'll just key in the details. Okay, money and then phone number 96169514, and then email. Uh, we can give us solvers@gmail.com. And then here, instead of entering the data, I made it a bit interactive so that the customer can find it more lucrative to answer. And here, see the interesting part. Instead of capturing a feedback, I've given him a drawing pad. So if I liked it, I'll just draw a smile. Okay. So when, as a customer, when I have taken this data, the customer was smiling, right? Or I can use it in a different way. Like, okay, let me take the smiley one, and you can save it. And when you save it, see, it automatically takes me to the map view. This is all automation, right? I don't need to do anything. And Ravi, you had a question, right? Can it automatically capture the address? Here it is what is capturing the lat long of the location. So I don't need to give the address. Wherever the form is keyed in, meaning wherever the customer keys in the form, that is taken as his address. We can give multiple options for him to also do a lot of other things, right? So when I click this, it goes here. And again, same. When I put on this car icon, it takes me to the Google Map. But if you look at, this is more interactive and more helpful, more smart way of capturing data. And when I click on this, I'm capturing every detail. I'm not missing any detail. Whatever the details we are capturing earlier, like I'm capturing the name, phone, age, then all the address, then the date I've captured the status I captured the ID. Plus, I've also captured a smiley, you know, just to get the feedback of how the customer is looking at. Because sometimes it's really boring to look at the data and filling it. No, this is a new photo that we have added now. So even this is a new smiley, right? This is one way of doing it. Now, the other way of doing it is I can also capture the signature of the customer. Let's say this is another form. I just want to demonstrate in the same way because that uses a Google Pick and Google Signature API, right? I want to just take this image now, and I want to just again say money, and then and I'll say 14. Then email is solvers at gmail.com, and then here instead of the smiley now, what I'll do is I'll use my signature, right? So I can use my signature as well to say that the document was authentic. So if certain times I need more authentic data or some kind of documents, I can use this as a signature API as well, right? So this is a little smarter app that we have built just to show how KSE can be a smart application that can be used by the business. So if you look at, this was your app, this was the app that we have done as part of the demo, and this is a little bit smarter app. So like this, there's much level of automation you can do. There are a lot of things you can do. You can automate a lot of things, and we can help you. We can train you to learn all that, and you can actually start building wonderful apps, right? And we can also help you build the apps directly for you, and you can take the advantage from that. That's all. That's all part of the demo. Now I open the